My name is Mike Levine. I'm the Director of Global Talent for Linaro. My role is basically anything to do with our hiring, with our growth, but beyond getting people in the door, I really try to keep them here. We lock the doors, we keep them all in, we keep them very, excited, keep them motivated, keep them happy, hopefully provide great benefits, hopefully provide a nice collaborative work environment that just people love to work in. That's really what my goals are.
Linaro is a great place to work because there's a lot of amazing people, a lot of senior engineers who I get to learn a lot of things from, and you get a lot of flexibility with the company as well. I get to work from home if I want to, and everyone is great. It's a great environment. It's a lot of no pressure, and it's amazing to work. Yeah, that's why.
Events that we do are Linaro Connect events where we bring everybody together working, and we have hundreds and hundreds of people there. It's all to show the technology. However, it's really the people that are behind all that technology is what makes this company tick and what makes it an amazing place to work.
Linaro is a great place to work. It takes the best engineering from across the world, from US, Europe, Asia, and brings them all together and ensure that we're delivering the finest Linux engineering to the community.
Well, typically I'm looking for people, it depends on the actual position in the group, but typically I'm looking for people who have experienced low-level firmware to Linux kernel development to low-level Android work. Everything that Linaro does is pretty much middleware layer down. There's not too much that actual graphical GUI interface or anything like that people would see, but it's all low-level. So people that are really motivated about ARM and are motivated about Linux kernel and want to do open source work, those are the people that I love to hear from.
So I work with people from all over the world, from companies that are working on SoCs. They're sending me patches. We merge patches that are good and sending them forward to Linus Torvalds directly.
I can just sort of look worldwide for the most talented engineers in the world. And it's not just me saying that. A lot of companies can sit there and say we have the most talented. I can go by statistics in the Linux kernel and show how high we are in terms of the people, in terms of their actual upstream commitments. So it's pretty easy for us to identify the people, but then they're usually all employed and happy, and it's getting them to decide to join us at Linaro is a challenge, but we've done quite well at it.
Well, it's just great to be able to work where I want, when I want, as long as I don't miss any meetings or make sure I get my work done. I can work where I want, and I can join my wife, who's a travel photographer, and just join her on her trips and work in the hotel and have all the freedom in the world.
How do we get people working as if they were all in one big building? As if, I think the analogy almost comes to like a hospital. If you think of a hospital, they're running 24/7. Linaro's running 24/7 all across the world. So how does our night shift talk to our day shift? How do our people living in Asia talk to North America? How do they talk to Europe? We've just brought in a new video conferencing ability that can allow like up to 100 people on a call. We have going to start doing a lot more training where we use this video to record things quite easily. So that's the stuff that really motivates me, is just keeping everybody happy and keeping them working together and across the world.
Working from home is a very enjoyable way for myself. For example, when I wake up, if I have an idea, I want to communicate with my colleagues, I just can do it.
How do we get everybody sort of on the same page when we have multiple different efforts in different groups, where we have people dispersed all over the world? That's all very important to myself and to others in the company, and that's probably the biggest challenge that I have on my plate right now. It's working well, but I want to get it better. We are looking to hire. I'm very motivated to talk to people. That's my job. If someone's interested in Linaro, they should reach out to me. We might not have a position for that person right then, but it's great for me to keep in touch with those people. So please feel free to reach out. Thank you.